In this video, I show you which FreeCAD settings I use and where to find them. We'll cover navigation modes and UI colors. First, go to the Edit tab and choose Preferences. Go to the General tab and select General. Here you see that I use the FreeCAD Dark theme. The view mode is set to Independent. The properties are on the right, and the design tree is on the left for maximum space. Now go to Selection to change selection and pre-selection colors. Let's see what this looks like. The contrast is good. The same goes for selecting planes. Let's go to UI in the Display tab. The style sheet is set to FreeCAD Dark. The overlay is set to Dark Theme plus Dark Background. Let's go to Navigation and set the 3D navigation to Gesture. This is a really good navigation style for the ones with only one normal mouse. Left-click and hold to rotate the model. Right-click and hold to pan. Left-click and hold to rotate the model. Right-click and hold to pan. Use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Move on to colors to check the background color. I use a radial gradient background with dark colors. Active elements are set to a bright red color. You see the outer colors are dark and the inside a bit lighter. Active elements will glow red. Now go to Appearance in the Sketcher tab to see the colors I use for my sketches. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. Finally, go to Shape Appearance in the Part Design tab. The default shape color is set to white instead of the standard gray color for a better contrast. Let's see how that looks like when a 3D shape is created. I hope you learned something from this, and maybe you want to use these settings as well. You might want to check out my 3D printing channel for more tutorials and projects.